our girls are exemplars of resilience and potential. It is our solemn duty to provide with the resources and opportunities they require to flourish. A girl leader, as we envision her, is an active learner who believes in her capacity to shape her world for the better. Our aspiration is to create an environment where every girl has the opportunity to realize their potential. Today, we take a moment to celebrate some of the remarkable achievements, which include the right to survival and health, the right to education and development, the right to protection, and the right to participation. In the right of survival and health, our investments in reproductive, maternal, newborn, child, and adolescent health have yielded tangible improvements in health indicators. For instance, the neonatal mortality has been reduced from 27 to 22 per 1,000 live births, and pregnancy-related mortality has seen a substantial decline from 368 to 228 per 100,000 live births. The standing rate among children has dropped from 27% to 24.4%. Moreover, nearly 3/4, that is 72% of the population now have access to bed nets for malaria control, and 97% of malaria cases have been confirmed with a diagnostic test. The right to education and development. We have significantly increased our investments in education with a focus on infrastructure and access. The introduction of UPE, Universal Primary Education, has led to a notably rise in primary school enrollment, with 92% of our parishes, or all our parishes now, having public primary schools. Our efforts have borne fruit as reflected in the national literacy rates, which have climbed from 73.2% in 2010 to 76.5% in 2020. Additionally, we have achieved gender parity in primary education enrollment, with girls' enrollment surpassing that of the boys.